Oops. Get up, Carter. Carter! Hi! Whoa. Sorry, I distracted you. Hi! Come see Mommy. He wants to skip over. Hi! It's determination right there. You know what he's headed towards, don't you? Let's take a look. What's Carter so determined to get? Oh, it's the light sockets. Sarah. Carter.
Okay, no.
Carter.
No.
Carter.
No.